Dear student, stay home and obey the rules for coronavirus and use masks. I am Mohammad Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher English, Gopalpur School and College, Munirampur, Jashore. Subject English for today for class 7, Unit 9, Climate Change, Lesson 5. Topics: What happens in Bangladesh? What do you see in these pictures? Yes, this is the dog. What do you see in these pictures? It is also natural calamity, flood. What do you see in these pictures? This is natural disasters. Yes, the four pictures means what's happened in Bangladesh. Today we are going to learn about what happens in Bangladesh, Unit 9, Lesson 5. Learning outcome: after we have studied this unit, we will be able to read the passage, take the best answer, discuss questions, write slogans. Now read some vocabulary. Prolonged. Prolonged. Yes, meaning lengthy. Prolonged illness is giving him much suffering. Adverse. Adverse. Yes, meaning harmful, unfavorable. The land is adverse of growing crops. Spell. Yes, try to spell, meaning a period of time. During the cold spell, poor people suffer more. Now, Shamina and Arif are very upset to read about the effect of climate change. They are more curious to know what will happen in Bangladesh. Read following text to know about this. Now I am reading a new mess. Bangladesh is already experiencing the adverse impacts of global warming and climate change. Summers are becoming hotter and the monsoon is irregular. There are untimely heavy rainfall causing waterlogging and landslides. Among other impacts are the frequent floods, river erosion, crop damage due to drought, prolonged cold spells, salinity of water in the coastal area, etc. Now, climate change has already started bringing disaster to Bangladesh. We remember the damage caused by the Ayla in 1909. Climate change victims are increasing in number every day. The number of families and villagers that lost their homes permanently or rivers every year is one of the highest in Bangladesh. An increasing number of people are suffering damage or loss to their property and sometimes life due to disasters caused by climate change. Following the climate change, the riverbank and coastal erosion are increasing at an alarming rate. It is estimated that uh, 45 centimeters rise of sea level will flood almost 10.9% of our territory and will make 5.5 million people of our coastal regions homeless. Now, take the best answer. One outcome of climate change in Bangladesh is try summers are becoming hotter. Next try to question number 2. The cyclone that hit Bangladesh in 2009 is called Hurricane Sidor Ayla Nargis. Yes, Ayla. It is likely that 10.9% of Bangladesh will go under order of the sea level rise to 40 centimeter, 45 centimeter, 35 centimeters, 50 centimeters. Yes, 45 centimeters. The phrase coastal region means an area with deep forests of dry lands with huge population close to the sea. Close to the sea. The phrase prolonged cold spells means long duration of cold waves, long gap between two winters, longer nights during winter, delay in doing something due to cold. Yes, a long duration of cold waves. Now, in small groups, discuss these questions. Now we try to write the answer these questions. Which animals in Bangladesh are in danger of extinction? What do you think we should do to protect this animal? What problems do you think of deforestation can cause in Bangladesh? Number one, answer on question number one. Match your answer with me. I think in Bangladesh, tigers, deer, wild cats, toads, 15 types of birds are in danger of extinction. To protect them, we should not kill them only and should try to preserve them. Question number two, what problems do you think deep prints can use in Bangladesh? I think it will destroy ecological balance, increase carbon in the air, etc. Write of 5 slogans to make people aware of the problems of climate change through are done for you, such as good environment is good health, air pollution causes health hazards. Now write 3 slogan. Yes, match. Smokes from vehicles pollute environment. Save trees, save environment, prevent climate change, save the earth. Now evaluation. What is already experiencing Bangladesh? Bangladesh already experiencing natural disaster. When did Ayla cause? Ayla caused in 1905. How many people will make homeless? 5.5 million people will make homeless. Now homework. Write a paragraph on what happened in Bangladesh. Dear student, wait my next video class and see you later. Bye bye.